In front of me is iPhone 17 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Passwords Manager. If you are struggling to add a password to your manager on this iPhone, don't worry, you are not an only one. So today I will show you exactly how to do it in a few minutes. All you need is to locate Utilities folder and tap on it to access Passwords app. Then enter your passcode and click on this plus at the bottom right corner to input all of those informations. Over here, type in any website or label. Then your username, email or phone number, password, and even take some helpful notes. When you're ready, click on this icon at the top right corner and wait. So when I do that, as you can see, my password was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!